How to set up your GENIE Kiosk. If you're watching this video, there's a good chance that your facility is a brand new owner of a GENIE communications platform. Congratulations! In this video, we go over how to assemble the GENIE mobile cart, how to set up the GENIE Kiosk on the cart, and how to connect the GENIE Kiosk to the internet. This is Ray. Ray will be showing us how these steps are completed. For this assembly, you will require a cordless drill with a Robertson bit. You could use a Robertson screwdriver if you do not have a cordless drill available. A flathead screwdriver. All other tools and hardware are included in the box. You will need a USB keyboard and mouse to connect your GENIE Kiosk to internet. Unboxing. Step 1. With Robertson driver bit in cordless drill, remove the 8 screws from the top of the crate. Step 2. Remove the Getting to Know GENIE info stand package. We'll come back to that GENIE info stand at the end of this video. Step 3. Remove the TV monitor box. Step 4. Remove package filler. Tip: keep the foam sheets handy to place on the floor to lay the cart on as you assemble. Step 5. Remove the mobile cart hardware box. Step 6. Remove package containing 10 colored resident ID keys and 2 kiosk manager cards. Step 7. Remove phone box. Step 8. Remove monitor stand box. Monitor stand hardware is included in this box. Step 9. Carefully remove the GENIE Kiosk. You may need an extra hand with this step. Step 10. Remove cart stabilizer rail. Step 11. Lastly, remove the GENIE cart and place it upside down on package filler. You may need an extra hand with this step. Assembly of the GENIE movable cart. Step 1. Open and remove the contents of the mobile cart hardware box. The hardware box consists of 4 lockable caster wheels, 1 16mm wrench, 1 HDMI cable, 1 Ethernet cable, 1 hardware package containing 4 70mm long bolts, 4 8mm threaded cross dowels, 2 40mm long bolts, 2 25mm long bolts, 1 4mm Allen wrench. Step 2. Install cart stabilizer rail. Note, the back of the GENIE cart is where the black cable grommet is. Attach the cart stabilizer rail to the GENIE cart with the holes facing the back of the stand. You may need an extra hand for this step. Place 8mm threaded cross dowels into the 4 holes of the cart stabilizer rail. With flathead screwdriver, line up the holes of the cross dowels to the holes on the side of rail. Attach the cart stabilizer rail to the cart gable by screwing the 70mm bolts into the cross dowels with the 4mm Allen key. Do this 4 times. Step 3. Attach the wheels. Screw the 4 lockable caster wheels into the 4 holes provided. Secure with a 16mm wrench. When complete, flip the cart right side up onto its wheels. Step 4. Assemble monitor stand. Unpackage monitor stand and hardware from box. Attach the stand leg to the base with the 2 screws supplied and tighten with Allen wrench. Instructions and hardware for this step supplied in monitor stand box. Step 5. Attach monitor stand to cart. Line up the stand assembly to 2 holes located near the rear of the cart. Insert 2 25mm bolts and tighten with 4mm Allen key. Step 6. Attach GENIE Kiosk to cart. Place the GENIE Kiosk on the cart. Open kiosk console lid by pulling up firmly on the phone cradle. Note, pull hard. The console lid is meant to be hard to open. Align the two holes near the front of the kiosk and screw in two 40mm bolts using the 4mm Allen key. Then close the console lid. Step 7. Attach monitor to monitor stand. To make installation easier, the mounting bracket has been attached to the TV monitor. Remove the set screw on the stand leg, slide monitor onto stand leg, and re-secure set screw. Step 8. Plug in phone. Step 9. Attach cables. Plug power cable to back of the monitor. Attach HDMI cable to back of monitor and to HDMI port on backside of GENIE Kiosk. Plug GENIE Kiosk into a 110-volt power outlet. Unit will turn on automatically when plugged in. Connecting to internet. Very important. GENIE is a communications platform that requires reliable internet to function properly. GENIE can connect to an internet network via LAN or Wi-Fi. A common or public Wi-Fi internet will not provide a reliable internet connection able to facilitate a functional GENIE experience. If access to reliable internet is not available, a strategy to obtain reliable internet should be discussed with your facility IT resource. Connecting to a Wi-Fi network. Plug in USB keyboard and mouse to USB ports on back of GENIE Kiosk. On the keyboard, press Windows D to display Windows Desktop. Go to Internet Access and select appropriate Wi-Fi network, making sure Connect Automatically is selected. Enter Wi-Fi password. Press Connect to Wi-Fi. To relaunch GENIE application, go to Desktop and double-click GENIE app icon. Connecting to LAN network. With Ethernet cable supplied, plug Ethernet into Ethernet port on the back of the GENIE Kiosk, the other end into the wall Ethernet port. About the Getting to Know GENIE info stand. You will want to communicate with your family community that your facility is equipped with an easy-to-use communications platform that family members can use to stay connected with their elders in care. The Getting to Know GENIE info stand is one means to let your family community know how they can participate. The stand comes with the desktop stand and 25 info cards. You can obtain more cards if need be. Email us at support@ambientactivity.com. Okay, now you're set up. How to use the GENIE platform is explained in instructional videos we have created, both for facility managers and family members. Visit www.ambientactivity.com to access GENIE instructional videos. Need help? Email support@ambientactivity.com or phone us toll-free at 1-800-563-7740, Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.